welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we get close with the 2007 Mazda RX8, a car that combines power and performance like no other. Under the hood, the Mazda RX8 is equipped with a high-revving rotary engine that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. It's 1.3 liters of pure power and it's ready to take on any challenge. But power is nothing without control. The RX8 features a responsive and precise handling thanks to its balanced weight distribution and advanced suspension system. It hugs the road like a dream, giving you confidence and control in every turn. The Mazda RX8 also impresses with its sleek and stylish design. Its distinctive shape turns heads wherever it goes, while the modern interior provides comfort and sophistication. But what really sets the RX8 apart is its unique rotary engine. It offers a smooth and seamless acceleration, and the sound it produces is like music to the ears of any car enthusiast. It's a true masterpiece of engineering. Whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up the track, the Mazda RX8 will leave you wanting more. It's a car that's built to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. So, if you're ready to unleash the power and performance of the Mazda RX8, get behind the wheel and experience the thrill for yourself. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.